Luna. Babe, you know I love you, so I need to give you the hair talk nobody gives early enough. 5 simple things that changed my hair completely. Let's fix your routine together. Luna. Brush your hair before you shower. I'm serious. Half of that scary hair fall is just knots pulling out when they get wet. When you wet tangled hair, it stretches, snaps, and falls out way more. If you detangle first, you'll lose way less hair, and your products will absorb better. Luna, don't rinse your conditioner right away. Put your hair in a claw clip, do your other shower tasks, and let it sink in. Your hair will be softer and way easier to brush. Luna, at the end of your shower, quickly rinse your hair with cold water. It smooths the cuticle, reduces frizz, and makes your hair naturally glossy. Just 5 seconds worth it. Luna, please use heat protectant before blow drying or curling. It literally saves your ends from cooking. Your hair will stay soft instead of crispy. Luna, stop picking your scalp when you're bored. You're spreading oils and irritating the skin, which makes your roots look even greasier. Play with slime instead. Girl. Luna, promise me you'll actually try these. No more crispy ends, no more oily roots, just good hair days. Follow for more tips.